What is going on, my car people? So I know I'm gonna start off this video by saying I do apologize for the lack of uploaded videos because you know, life gets busy and stuff, but this is gonna be a really good video because it has just a little bit of excitement in it. So I guess I know you guys can guess what that is. I've been working on this transmission for like 9 months and it has been just, I'm using all my skill and I've been very frustrated, but I have not stopped. And so this is the day. What's the date today?
Today's the 13th.
The 13th of May. May 13th. It only took me almost 10 months to get it to this point, but I needed some help. So I brought in my buddy Hayden. He has
How y'all doing?
He's got a 2006 RSX. He's been my new Honda buddy in town. He's got what, a K20A in yours?
K20A.
Is it a 6-speed, 5-speed?
5-speed.
5-speed. And down the street, my buddy Kyle and Milo, they're dyno tuning his car this week. Just NA, bolt-ons, all that. Should make about, I would guess, at least 215. That'd be pretty cool.
At least, what, 230?
230? All right.
I'm rooting for 230.
230 on the 85?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
On ethanol.
Sweet.
Full bolts on ethanol is gonna be insane.
Yeah. So as you can see, got all the tools out and everything, and it has been just a hurdle after another, but we finally got the transmission in just now. I wish I could have showed you guys the process, but trust me, you did not miss out on much. We're not the biggest of guys, so trying to hub this thing in there, like, I couldn't do it by myself, and it is just trying to get it all into its place and everything. So we had to use some jacks, but finally we got it on there, got a bolt started, get the rest bolts started, got the rear motor mount, passenger side motor mount, and it's all bolted in, like no jacks required.
Yeah. Taking jacks out from under the car can make a grown man cry.
Oh yeah. And I've already physically cried today because of like this moment. I cannot believe that I'm doing this right now. So right now, all we gotta do is axles, intermediate shaft, clutch, not clutch linkage. Well, not actually clutch linkage. We gotta do the slave cylinder. We gotta do the shifter cables, upper control arms. We're trying to make this a roller today. That's the goal. And right now it's only like about 5 o'clock.
Should be a breeze.
Oh yeah. And we've spent, like, no joke, we've spent about hour and a half too long on getting this transmission in. The last 2 times I've done this, it's taken me like 10 or 15 minutes. But we had to work hard at it, but we got it all in. And so that's where I'm gonna leave it off with you guys. And I promise that I'm definitely gonna start making videos. Like, realistically, I just don't want to give you guys, like, I feel like a broken record. So I want to give you guys new content. It's gonna be in, axles in, it's gonna be a roller, and then we're gonna go and get started, drive down the road, and then see if it runs on all 4. Yeah, all that stuff, etc., etc. So thanks again. Oh, by the way, dude, Hayden, thank you so much for helping me out, man.
Absolutely.
And this year is going to be super cool. I can't wait to meet more car people this year and get to hang out with you guys more. And I will see you in the next video. Say see you later.
See you later.
Thanks again, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
See you guys. Bye. Just when you think it's all over and that's the end of the video, it is not, because right now, in about 30 seconds, we're about to drop this thing on the ground and it's going to be a roller. So we got the transmission in, axles in, intermediate shaft, upper control arms, etc. Now, we've been working for about 6 hours, leisurely, you know, just hanging out, not in like a crazy time crunch or anything. Sorry, Dad. And now, for the first time in over 9 months, my race car will be on the ground and be a roller. And it almost makes me want to cry. It almost makes me want to cry, but gotta man up. This is it. Oh, I love my hatch. Yeah. All right. See you guys later. Thanks so much, Hayden, for camera, being a good friend, all the help. Dude, love you, man. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.